Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share another topic of B.Ed Sem 2 and our topic is aspects of lesson planning. So without any delay, let's start the topic. Before discussing aspects of lesson planning, we have to understand what is lesson plan. So the lesson plan is an advanced copy of teaching framework. It is a systematic plan and layout showing relevant details and specification intended to be carried out in classroom. A well-planned lesson helps a teacher to develop pupils to a maximum in the time available. So it is the meaning of lesson planning, and now we will discuss importance of lesson planning. So planning is the blueprint of what is to be done and where to reach or what to achieve. The teaching is the purposive activity. It has specific aims to be achieved. When the entire process is purposive, it should be planned activity. The teaching is the process of modifying behavior of learners. Here the teacher plans his own teaching. Here he plans what to teach, when to teach, how to teach, and how to make learners learning through his teaching plans. So it is the importance of lesson planning, and next is aspects of lesson planning. Different scholars have suggested different types of lesson plan. According to HERBERTIAN steps, there should be the following steps in the lesson plan. As you can see on the screen, there are many aspects of lesson planning. We will discuss it one by one. The very first step is aims and objectives. After deciding the unit of teaching, the teacher should determine the aims and objectives of teaching English. Next is methods and techniques. The teacher should think about the following methods and techniques to make subject matter more effective and easy. There are several methods like question-answer, discussion, narration, dramatic play, inductive-deductive approach, storytelling, demonstration, reading, drawing, and translation. Third is teaching aids. The teacher should collect the best possible material and aids so that he can make the lesson interesting and enable students to understand the lesson with ease and enjoyment. Fourth is reference. The teacher should also think about the reference material so that he can explain his unit more effectively, like the pictures or charts, by doing some performance or activities, by telling the stories or events, etc. Fifth is statement of aim. After introducing the lesson, the teacher should state the aim by saying the name of the topic. At that time, he should write the name of topic on blackboard so that the learners can know what they have to learn. Next is presentation. This is the main part of lesson plan. To present the lesson plan before pupils interestingly and effectively, the teacher should teach the lesson in 2 or more units. If the lesson is very short, only one unit should be there. First of all, the teacher should do the model reading of the passage. He should read the passage with correct pronunciation, intonation, stress, and proper speed. He should also keep in mind the pause and articulation. The purpose of this reading is to enable students to know the exact way of reading. After reading, he should ask questions to the pupils and introduce unfamiliar words, phrases, and idioms by various techniques. Then, he should write those words and summary of unit on the blackboard and suggest them to write in their notebooks. The teacher should use blackboard according to his unit and necessity. He should also explain the unit in detail by giving examples and using various types of teaching aid. Next is evaluation. After teaching the unit or lesson, there should be the evaluation. In this step, the teacher tests the students for what has been taught. The evaluation is generally done by the different types of comprehensive questions, such as essay type, short answer type, and objective type questions, such as fill in the blanks, match the pairs, multiple choice questions, complete the sentence, translation, and meaning of words. Next is assignment. In the end of the lesson, the teacher should give some assignment or homework to provide the further learning experience to the children. The homework can be as follows: reading, writing, answering the question, translation, usage, transcription, preparing the spelling, short notes, fill in the blanks, etc. So today in this video we have discussed meaning of lesson planning, importance of lesson planning, and Herbertian steps or aspects of lesson planning. So that's all for today. If you found it helpful, then do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.